The Karinear 24-inch electric cooktop uses simple, clearly marked knobs for each burner, which makes everyday cooking especially approachable for households that prefer tactile controls over touch panels. With 4 radiant zones and a combined output of 6,000 watts, it reaches cooking temperature quickly and comfortably, handles tasks from simmering sauces to boiling large pots of water. The smooth ceramic glass surface not only gives the built-in unit a modern, integrated look, but also wipes clean easily after spin splatters. Because the heating elements work with most flat-bottom cookware, you can keep using your existing pans without needing special induction-compatible pieces. Safety features such as overheat detection, automatic shutoff, and clear residual heat indication add peace of mind when cooking with family members of different ages. Designed for a 220 to 240 volt hardwired connection, this compact cooktop fits neatly into smaller kitchens while still providing the flexibility of 4 usable burners.